Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Roosamekto Mamek, aka Raja Meksiko. Oke, saya hendak mengucapkan selamat menunaikan ibadah puasa bagi sahabat-sahabat yang berpuasa. Jangan lupa minum air putih yang cukup selama bulan puasa setelah maghrib sampai sahur. Oke, without any further talk, let's do the walkthrough. And this is my right foot. Oke. Jadi, one and two and three and four. Five and six and seven and eight. One and two, three and four. Five and six, seven and eight. One, two, three and four. Five, six, seven and eight. One and two, three and four. Five and six, seven and eight. Okay guys, that's all. I am going to repeat one more time facing camera ya. And this is my right foot. Perfect. Okay. One and two and three and four. Five and six and seven and eight. One and two, three and four. Five and six, seven and eight. One, two, three and four. Five, six, seven and eight. One and two, three and four. Five and six, seven and eight. Okay guys, that's all. But there is 8 contact. I will do the tag ya. And this is my right foot. One, two, three, four. Five, six, seven, eight. Okay guys, that's for the tag. But no need to do this ya. This is just action. Okay guys, I will repeat for the tag, and this is my right foot. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Also, no need to do this, yeah. Okay, I feel like it. Don't forget, please to like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.